Good morning, good morning. You see where I'm at? Memorial Day was yesterday, and our representatives didn't represent us. I'm a veteran, an honorably discharged veteran, all right? So we're going to be here on June 3rd, 9 a.m. June 3rd, 9 a.m., we're going to be right here. It's for the 45th District. 45th District. And when you come in the building, you got to go through my display. All right? When you go in the building, before you go in that front door, you're going to have to pass this up. 1701. I'm an activist in Baltimore. Y'all locked me up for applying for Martin Luther King's job in 2011. 2007, I went home on vacation, came back on probation. We're talking about the history of slavery in Maryland. All right, the history of slavery in Maryland. I'm a free black man. I own me. That's Shorty's Underground. All right, that's Shorty's Underground. Says right there, I'm the chairman, the president, the treasurer. He's making a documentary about race and racism. All right, and I did it all right here so the world can see it. I did it in public display. All right, I did it on public display. I applied for Martin Luther King's job because it's been vacant too long. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. All right? Everything that Ben Cardin's got from 2007 to now, he got to turn over. He say he believe in Martin Luther King. He say he believe in black leadership. Well, we're going to put Ben to the test because Ben got a book, and that book got evidence. Like I said, I own Shorty's. I own all parts of me. All right? That's Shannon Drive, Dear Governor Westmore. See that? March 2023. I asked for exoneration or writ of certiorari to go to the Supreme Court. That's exoneration. That's the Supreme Court. Because I was making a documentary about Baltimore. That's mic check. This is for the 45th District. That's Governor Larry Hogan, Adrian Jones, Bill Ferguson, Stephanie Smith, Attorney General Anthony Brown. All right, you got that? All of y'all got this. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. You're getting ready to leave office, and somebody getting ready to take your place. But before they take your place, we need to talk about that. That's 2023, Senator Ben Cardin's. Right here is the rest of my information. Right here is Barbara Mikulski. I told you I was doing this documentary about your prison industry. Right here is WMAR, ABC2. And I gave you that in 2010. It's about the war on drugs. Like I said, that's Senator Ben Cardin's right there. All right? That's 2013. That's 10 years ago. Miss Gion, my whistleblower's application. Senator Ben Cardin's, a whistleblower on justice. That's to the Supreme Court. 2007, Davis versus Illinois, and that's the Supreme Court clerk. You feel me? Article 3 of the Constitution gives me access to the Supreme Court. That's a copy. Y'all destroyed the originals. We're talking about voter suppression. That's the state prosecutor's office. Voter suppression. You feel me? Y'all trying to charge me for something that I don't owe. Like I said, slavery in the 21st century. We talking about the money behind the machine. The money behind mass incarceration. I gave you Monopoly, the Cheaters edition. That's Governor Westmore. Like I told you, I was making a movie about y'all. The 45th District. Baltimore's Black Arts District. All right? And that's Cory McCray in the 45th District. That's Justin Fenton, and we run the city. And that's Diana Suggs from the Baltimore Sun. It's my political soapbox. Y'all made me famous for toilets, and I'm running with that. That's my political soapbox. I'm flushing careers in 2023. Freedom Summer. You feel me? That's GOP Carter. If Pew can go to jail, you can go to jail. If Pew can go to jail, Mosby can go to jail. This is a children's book, because we're going to tell, y'all told children's lies. That's Larry Hogan and the Board of Elections. That's President Trump. And these is my kids. Talking about a ceasefire, and you got to end the war on drugs. It's art and activism. Me and Gretchen put this together. All right? Call it potty training politicians. People pay attention to dumbass shit.
You'll never touch me. I am the alpha.
And y'all voted for this shit. Y'all voted for this shit. Well, ex-felons got a right to vote. In 2023, 2024, we're going to vote. And we're going to vote you out. We're going to start holding black leadership accountable to our black communities. Like Cory McCray. Like I said, I'm making a movie about y'all. Ivan Bates, his first 100 days. It's all in a book, y'all. All in a book. Like I said, I went home on vacation and came back on probation. That's Mr. Capelhoff from the Department of Justice. That's the Department of Justice. And that's Johnny Oleski asking for an investigation. Rod Rosenstein been blocking that. Eric Barron been blocking that. Robert Hardin been blocking that. Robert Hur been blocking that. I never got a trial. I never got a trial in these 3 cases. We talk about $250 million intellectual property theft. Shorty, pull your mask up? No, we're going to unmask Baltimore. Those are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. And y'all ain't charged that white man. Y'all protecting Jim Crow. That's the Board of Elections. See that? Art and evidence. That toilet is a prop for a movie. The movie is called Get Shorty. 2006. Governor O'Malley approved it. Get Shorty. And you got Shorty. That's my producer, Rob Fix. Google it. It's Public Accommodations Act, 1964. That's the United States Senate. That's my store on Falls Road. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. All right? So Ben Cardin's can't say he don't know about this. He can't say he don't know about this. That's a mail receipt. Certified mailing. That's Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. I'm a whistleblower on the courts. And I want the grand jury in 2023. I want the grand jury. We're going to take all this evidence in front of the grand jury. Public Accommodations Act. All about that toilet. That's Chuck D. That's Westmore in the hoodie. And y'all going to see me in that hood a lot. Like I said, I'm a founding member of the Baltimore Block. I'm an activist. I work with inmates and inmates' rights, homelessness, mass incarceration. That's what I do. You feel me? That's what I do. This is Free Keith Davis. This is the Privacy Act with Barbara Mikulski. Barbara Mikulski, Cardin's got the same thing. Getting ready to fill this book up about the money you make off of black bodies. That's Judge Bell. That's Scott Shellenberger. That's WJZ. Y'all seen the movie The Return? Well, we're getting ready to see this movie about Baltimore. The money behind the machine. These are the cases. Social media for social change. And the Department of Justice can't protect you. Mayor Brandon Scott can't protect you. I'm an activist in Baltimore. And it's the voodoo that we do. We got you. So Cory, 45th district meeting. 45th district meeting. Hug, don't shoot. Hug, don't shoot. Remember that. Hug me, don't shoot me. Don't shoot the messenger. But the message is you're going to end this corruption in Baltimore County. You're going to end this corruption in Baltimore City. You're going to end this corruption in the 45th district. You're going to tell the truth or you're going to go to jail. It's called the RICO Act. You can't use your position of power to enhance your financial stability. And that's what you've been doing. End the war on drugs, because I got plenty of toilets. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play. I'm a veteran. It's Memorial Day.